Unimac washer. Troubleshooting common Unimac washer issues. Unimac washers are known for their durability and efficiency. Still, they can sometimes encounter problems. Knowing how to troubleshoot can save you time and money. Let's look at some common issues you might face. Leaking problems. Leaking washer can be a headache. It's essential to identify the source of the leak. Possible cause solution: loose hoses. Tighten the hoses to stop the leak. Damaged door seal. Inspect and replace if necessary. Clogged drain. Clear any blockages in the drain. Check these areas first. It might solve your leaking problems quickly. Unusual noises. Unusual noises can indicate various issues. It's crucial to find the source. Noise. Type: possible cause solution: rattling. Loose items in the drum. Remove any loose items. Grinding worn bearings. Replace the bearings. Thumping unbalanced load. Redistribute the load evenly. Addressing these noises early can prevent more serious problems later. Note: if you want to know more details, you can visit this website. Hello, troubleshooting.com.